Hello again everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am in Northfield, Birmingham at the Blackhorse public house. There's been a pub and bowling green on this site, quite a big since green, 1929, and tricky with weight differences. Not much of a natural crown, but there's plenty of dips and hollows. There is a car park at the front of the pub, and you have to add your reg on entrance, otherwise you'll get a fine. And the front of the pub is absolutely beautiful, black and white building. It's the start of June, and it's been raining all day, as it has been most of this week. As you can obviously tell, everything looks pretty damp and it's overcast. If you have got any questions, please do drop them below, and check out my other videos. Quite a few crown greens on here now, as well as my other travels. Please give me a like and a subscribe if you don't mind. It really does help the channel. I'm up to nearly 150 subscribers now, so I'm quite chuffed with that. I'd like to thank everybody that does subscribe.
See you later. See you, Bob. Thank you.
Thank you all for watching. As always, see you on the next one.